SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love 2006 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension classification, solid live axle, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.